Hello everyone, this is Poppy from Magic Garden. At the WPC factory, we often get asked what the difference between the first generation and the second generation WPC products. Today, let's talk about it. We will explain in 4 aspects, and for the first one, it is the structure. From the structure, second generation WPC adopts a whole extrusion process in creating a dual layer structure. And the interlayer, it is the traditional wood plastic composite, offering core strength and stability. And the outer layer, it is high density polymer shell, improving durability and protecting against aging. And in contrast, first generation WPC, it is a single layer profile with wood and plastic fused together, no protective coating on the surface. And the second, from the physical performance. Due to the difference in inter and outer layer structures, the second generation co-extruded WPC products generally offer higher strength and durability. The inter WPC who provides structure stability, where the outer polymer shell enhances weather resistance and aging performance. In contrast, first generation WPC lacks this co-extrusion layer, making it relatively less effective in resisting aging and environmental wear. The third one, from the surface texture and the appearance. The second generation WPC offers richer textures and more realistic wood grain finishes. It can simulate natural wood with more color options and surface styles. In contrast, the first generation WPC has a simpler surface and it looks more plastic-like and offers limited styles. The fourth one, from the stain resistance. The second generation WPC has a closed stain-resistant surface. Dirt, oil, and even coffee can be cleaned easily with water. The outer shell prevents absorptions. In contrast, first generation WPC has exposed wood fibers which tend to absorb stains and cause discoloration over time. Okay, this is 4 main differences between first generation and second generation WPC products. And the last thing you need to keep in mind, that is, not all second generation WPC are same, because different factories, they will use different materials and different technology. So you need to make sure you choose the right one.